Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best organic diapers for your little one, hypoallergenic, sensitive skin-friendly, and loaded with thoughtful features. The Huggies Skin Essentials Baby Diapers, size newborn. If you're a new parent or expecting soon, finding the right diaper can be overwhelming. There are a million options out there, but Huggies has really raised the bar with their Skin Essentials line. And we're taking a closer look at the newborn size, made for babies between 6 to 9 pounds. This package comes with 180 diapers, divided into 3 packs of 60, and promises not only premium protection but a skin-first approach designed for newborns. Now let's talk protection. Huggies claims up to 100% leak-proof coverage, and they back this with their Skin Protect liner. This liner helps lock away moisture and those messy surprises newborns are so good at producing. What's impressive is how it manages runny mess and moisture, which are the 2 biggest causes of diaper rash. So instead of constantly checking for leaks or dealing with blowouts, you're actually getting a diaper that's actively working to keep your baby dry and protected. Another standout feature is the wetness indicator. This changes color when the diaper is wet, which is super helpful for new parents learning their baby's patterns. Or even for those middle-of-the-night changes when you're trying to keep the lights off and the piece on. When it comes to baby skin, gentleness is everything. Huggies Skin Essentials are dermatologist-approved and specifically made for sensitive skin. That means they're hypoallergenic and completely free of the stuff you don't want near your baby. No fragrances, no lotions, no parabens, no elemental chlorine, no phthalate, and no latex. And yes, we're talking natural rubber latex too, which is a common irritant that's thankfully absent here. Now let's touch on comfort, because your baby's going to be wearing these all day and night. These diapers feature a breathable outer cover that keeps air flowing to help prevent heat buildup, keeping your baby's skin dry and happy. They're also soft, really soft, which makes a difference when it's coming into contact with delicate newborn skin. Huggies also didn't forget the fun part. These diapers feature Disney-themed designs that are as cute as your baby. While it doesn't affect functionality, it's a charming bonus that many parents appreciate. In terms of value, you're getting 180 diapers per box, and with each one priced around 34 cents in this bulk packaging, it's competitively priced for the premium category. That's not including any coupon savings or bundles, which are often available and worth watching for. Amazon offers international delivery, although you'll want to account for shipping and import charges, which currently hover around $82. So make sure you're either bundling or looking out for offers to make the most of that cost. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a diaper that prioritizes skin health, leak protection, and comfort, the Huggies Skin Essentials newborn diapers are a strong contender. They're built with your baby's delicate skin in mind and engineered for real-life messes. And when it comes to organic, hypoallergenic, newborn-safe diapers, we think this is the best option available right now. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next honest breakdown. Until next time, keep your baby dry and happy.